remember that moment. Lesson number 6. Compete hard. Compete very hard. But when the competition is over, bring the heat down. You had another contestant who ran with you or not ran with you. Can you please get up? Give him a round of applause, guys. You are special to be here. What's your name?
Yes,
Harley. You are special to be here. Well done. Another round of applause for him, guys. DIR election. I'm an Alandian. Any guesses as to whom I ran against? School? No, throw a guess. Name a school.
Zaira.
No, not Saira. Anandian. Now that's tricky because we are brother schools. We consider each other as brothers. We don't do that. But it so happened that two very ambitious interactors want to apply for the top job. We competed hard. When you compete hard, there can be times where some aggressive comments are made. Normal, right? You see, in professional cricket, right? How the professional cricketers within boundaries say things to each other, right? Your supporters will back you, their supporters will back you, right? Okay? Competition gets heated up a lot. Conference is the point where that heat hits the maximum point. Okay. Compete hard. Nothing wrong with that. Even in the corporate world, business world, in anything that you do, at the top, the competition is heavy. You learn the art of competing. But when the game is over, DIR, it is your job to bring down the heat. It is not his job, it is your job. The way I see it, right? Winner should always ensure that he or she, now in this case it's you, take all steps to bring the heat down. You need to, Murtaz, become a unifier. You need to become a unifier. You must now bring all schools together. You should not be a divider. You should be a unifier. In order to do that, you need to learn the art of working with everyone. Very important that you don't work with your supporters. You need to work with everyone. Some people will like you in life. Some people will not like you in life, and that's life, and that's okay. But even if some people are taking the low road, I have gone through this experience. When they don't like the DIR, they don't invite the DIR to the head table. When they don't like the DIR, they don't invite the DIR to the oil lamp. That's okay. Ignore as if it never happened. Because you need the support of everyone if you want to be a unifier. And my sincere request from all interactors is compete hard, battle hard, but once it is over, do all what it takes to bring the heat down. Leader need to be a unifier. Remember, this movement is more important than any individuals. End of the day, Interact should be the winner.